elevators go up and elevators go down, and that thing's called an elevator. What do you think it does for our airplane? Say it, everybody. You're so super smart.
We invited the Virginia Department of Aviation to bring their Icon airplane out so that our kids could have an experience how what they learn in school is applicable in real life.
Today we brought our Icon A5 all the way from Richmond International Airport to spread the word about aviation with students.
I'll talk to you guys a little bit about how airplanes fly. Do you know anything about forces? The 4 forces of flight?
We learned the force and motion in our unit and talking about pushes and pulls, and to see that in action and how they can use those airplane wings and switch the levers and how it would move the airplane really kind of puts those pieces together.
We like to call what we do here planting the seed. You know, there's people like me and people like you who will love aviation no matter what, and we are just trying to find the people who don't know they love it yet, which is why we bring this aircraft free of charge all over the Commonwealth.
We were moving the controls, and I learned that the wings keep the plane in the air.
I've never been in an airplane before. It was cool.
One thing we try and tell people is that when people think aviation, the first job that comes to mind is pilot, right? And one thing we hope they come away with is that it's a big field out there. Any job you want to do, you can do in aviation.
Timber Monster!